Okay, last one I'm doing right now. This is the Climate and Energy Insights Custom GPT. You notice I gave it the same thing that I gave it all the others, so we're not trying any funny stuff. And its interpretation, it comprehended and aligned, yes. Okay, there's a lot of capital investment for renewable infrastructure, advanced agriculture, long-term investments pay off in terms of sustainability and efficiencies. Yes, nailed it. Ongoing costs include maintenance and agricultural operations. Yes, renewable. So I think it's making some pretty broad assumptions that renewable energy systems are always going to be cheaper and, reduced long term. So we should dive into that. I'm noticing that as something that's missing. Okay, so now I want I'm giving it more instructions. So it understands, and I want to map the business model and I want to test how much climate insights and research do you actually have. So apply all your insights to different areas. So it called out renewable energy systems in agriculture, advanced agriculture techniques. This is also, there's hydroponics, and then it's also describing what kind of insights, what kind of measurement, what kind of information comes out of that. Sustainable waste management. I like the way it says this. Zero waste philosophy. That epitomizes Energy Acres. I like what it did there. It can offer insights, scalability, and replicability. Great. And so now we can we identify? So it's given me a background, but I need to know what metrics, right? You talked about metrics, but I don't know what you're talking about. So can you help me identify? Certainly. So now it's driving in the actual CO2 emissions avoided, the greenhouse gas emissions from the beneficial agricultural practices, methane and NOx reductions. We're reducing that from the power that we're generating. Let's see, energy efficiencies, renewable utilization. We are always going to be measuring on likely a per second basis how much energy is used, where is it coming from, how much went to storage, how much goes to the grid. So I'm liking that. Water usage, efficiency. This basically laid out our key metrics in each category. Now, I may choose to combine a few of these. I likely will. But I would say that this thing did actually a pretty stellar job. So it gave me all of those. Well, how would I go about collecting that information? Right? So now I'm asking. And you notice I'm not putting in a lot of input, but I'm getting a lot of value out. That's what I love about ChatGPT. And so now it went in. Here's how you collect it. Well, I know a thing or two about on-site sensors, the public data sources that we'll be processing, different market data. Here's some more sensors, more sensors, more sensors. It's a good thing I was in the sensor business. And then we get down here to public data sources. Great. And it loves the integrated approach of what we're combining, technology and the manual methods and partnerships. Thanks. Really good idea.